Look guys, I've been experiencing this issue with my Instagram and now I found a way to solve it. So if you go to your story and you pick a post, let's pick a post. I think this is nice. Then my issue is I've been unable to add music to my posts. So if I search for a popular song, let's search for a popular artist, let's search for Burna Boy. It doesn't come up. You search for Wizkid. It doesn't come up as well. So when you search for, let's say, Beyonce, it doesn't come up as well. I found a way to solve this. The only songs are here. I don't even know these artists. You go to browse, you don't find any popular artists there. So how you solve this is you go to your settings and you go to your settings and privacy, then you go to business tools and controls, then you go to switch account type. So apparently you need to change the account to a creator account. So my account currently is a business account, but if I switch to a creator account, switch, now I have a creator account. I still have all the controls. I can skip this. I still have a control for a professional dashboard and all that. So but now when I go to this page, let me try to add a song. Let's find, let's say Burna now. Burna Boy. Now you can see. So I have it coming up. So I can just choose, let's choose City Boy. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, the audio. Oh yeah, and click done. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, you can add it to stories. Oh yeah, then it shows up and you have the song. Oh yeah, add it to my stories. It's currently uploading. Then I can check it out after it's done posting. So guys, let me know if this solves your problem, if you're having a similar issue with Instagram. Alright, see you in another video.